All right, coach, can I declare your name for us, please?
John Chambers.
All right, big result for you today and a tough match. Can I take us through the game?
Firstly, I want to give Belair High School credit. The first game would have won 3-0, and coaching is a big part of football. And when you see good coaching, you have to give credit to it. The coaching staff of Belair would have gone home, did their homework. First half, they really had us down for large parts, but I made some changes second half, right in the halftime, which gave us back the game because we just needed control, really, and that's what we got. They scored a goal against the run of play, but that's football. But the boys had it in them to fight back and get that late one at the end.
Yeah, a late goal decided the game today. Was there any nerve on the bench? And also, when you look at on the pitch, do you see any nerve? As a
If there was any nerves, I can't say, but I love the game because the parish been lacking games like this. Usually it's just Manchester all the way or Manchester Belair. So the more competitive the fixtures are, the better it is for development for the team. So I really enjoy games like this. The boys gave it them all. I can't ask for anything more. We had some players missing, not because of injury, but discipline, because that's what we want. You want a very disciplined team. So if you can't stay in line, you can't play. So hopefully they learn from this.
All right, coach. Basically, leading the way so far. What's the season been for you guys in regards to getting things in the right aspect, and also looking forward to the next round because that is where the bigger teams are, the tougher tasks will be at hand.
Yeah, so far the season hasn't been too bad. The boys have been developing a lot. To be honest, this is a really young squad. We have 3 retaining starters from last year, so really young squad, but they're developing game by game. I love games like this because a lot of lessons were learned. So, really good effort by the boys, and I love how they reacted to the setback. So that was good.
All right, coach. Thank you very much for it.
Yeah, man.
Best of luck.
Thank you.